Hi everyone, Mrs. Bilo here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete a surface area to volume ratio problem. So first thing, you will be provided the formulas on the test or quiz. And the goal here is to figure out which of the two cells whose dimensions we are provided is the best in terms of what we have learned about cells so far. So I'm going to start with cell X. And cell X has a length of 2 nanometers, a width of 1 nanometer, and a height of 4 nanometers. And I'm going to plug that into both of these formulas here to solve for the surface area and the volume. So the surface area, I'm going to add this in here. So the surface area is 2 times the width times the length. So the width is 1 from here times the length, which is 2, plus, again, I'm using this formula here, the length times the height. The length is 2 times the height, which is 4, plus the height times the width. So the height is 4 and the width is 1. So from here, you could just punch everything in your calculator and solve. I'm just going to go ahead and do the steps that would follow this. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 times 4 is 8, plus 4 times 1 is 4. So 2 plus 8 plus 4 is 14. 2 times 14 is 28. And since this is surface area, this would be nanometers squared. And then the volume is simply just width times length times height. So the width, 1 times 2 times 4, which is 8. And this would be nanometers cubed. So for my ratio, I would have 28 to 8, but I would want to simplify that. So I would do 28 divided by 8. 28 divided by 8 is 28 divided by 8 is 3.5. And then I would simplify my ratio 3.5 to 1. So that's saying for cell X, there's 3.5 times or 3.5 times the amount of surface area in comparison to its volume. So now we're going to do the same thing for cell Z. So for cell Z, here are the dimensions. So we have 2 times, so we have again the width times the length. So the width this time is 5 times the length, which is 6, plus the length times the height. So 6 times 1 plus the height times the width. So 1 times 5. So that'd be 2. So 5 times 6 is 30. Plus 6 plus 5, because 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. So 30 plus 6 plus 5 is 41. 2 times 41 is 82. So that'd be 82 nanometers squared. That'd be the surface area. The volume is the width times the length times the height. So 5 times 6 times 1, which is 30 nanometers cubed. My ratio would be 82 to 30. So to simplify that, I would do 82 divided by 30, which is 2.73. So my ratio would be 2.73 to 1, and that would be for cell Z. Now, in terms of which is the best cell, the best cell is going to be the one with the higher surface area to volume ratio. So since 2.3 is greater than since 3.5, is more than or greater than 2.73, cell X would be our best cell. So then what you want to do next is go ahead and practice this problem here, and then check your work against the key posted in the content library.